So this is day two of the 90-day challenge. And today I went to a monthly meeting that our group has. It's a group of entrepreneurs in Surat that meet once a week and we talk business. It's one of the business networking groups. It's kind of salesy, but you also get to make connections. Um, and the people there come from every walk of life. Some of them are mom and pop shop owners. Some of them run a services business, such as brokerage services or training institutes, etc. So I was talking to them about RecurPost and how we can help them do better on the socials. And the way I pitched, I kind of gave them the impression that we actually manage everything for them. I clarified to an extent, but since they were not social savvy, they probably did not understand and they wanted me to sell RecurPost to them. So I passed on those leads to our sales team. The sales team called them and they said, we don't know anything. You guys will have to do everything, but I'm happy to pay. Now, at this point, I'm not sure how to handle that, right? Because this is the first time someone is saying, yeah, I'm ready to buy, take my money, and do everything that is needed. And then I understood that as entrepreneurs, if we are talking to people who are not a direct target audience, they may not understand what we do. They may assume that we do everything related to the industry that we are in. And that's why I had to bring my support team in, have them set their accounts up, and train them on how to use RecurPost and set it very clear. So instead of taking their money upfront, we went through a demo, a setup, and we said, look, you start using RecurPost, use it for 2 weeks, and then tell us if it makes sense for you to use it. If it doesn't, that's fine. And if you still want to continue, we'll send you an invoice. But now I know when I pitch next time, um, what things should be removed from my pitch and what things should be highlighted.